Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add music to Instagram post using PC, and is it possible? What you're going to do is to open your Instagram first. You should have logged in your account and then go to Chrome Web Store. You just have to open a new tab and then type Google Web Store and click the very first link here. And then what you're going to do here is you have to go to the search bar and then type insist Instagram or insist client Instagram. Then after that, you have to click, and what you're going to do next is to add this to your Chrome. So once you found it, what you're going to do is click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension, and then you have to wait as it is processing or it's downloading. Then once done, you will see it right here. What you're going to do next is go to extension icon, and then you have to look for this insist web client for Instagram and pin this one. Okay, so you have to pin or open this and then click this OK, let's go. Now you have to make sure again that you are logged in to this website. So it will automatically log in also your Instagram account here. And then click this plus icon, tap story, and then add that music that you wanted to add here or post that you want to add here. Then you will see beside post later, add music, tag people. All you have to do is to click this add music, or you can just leave it like this and then share your story or your post. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.